Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'll be showing to you guys a step-by-step guide on how to replace this gear shifter on a Nissan Patrol. This is mostly found common on Nissan Patrol. Sometimes it got stuck on the T, okay, it does not move, alright. And sometimes you'll find this head is broken, okay, you cannot be able to apply here to move the gear, so which it will might be stopped from the position where it was broken, okay. In this case, I'll be showing you how to replace this one, a step-by-step guide. Okay, and don't forget to ask any question. And if you have any doubt, don't forget to comment. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe. So I'm going to show you. Firstly, you have to pull down this guide. Okay. Secondly, you're going to take out this lock. Okay, as you can see here, there's a lock. You take out this lock. Take out this one. And thirdly, here you have to just pull this one like this. Okay. Okay, by pulling up this one, there's a wiring connection here. As you can see, there's here and here also. Here there's a wiring connection here. Okay, there's a wiring connection also here. And then you can be able to take out this one completely. Okay, by taking this one out, there is a 10 volt here and a 10 volt here, which means there's a total amount of 410 volt for this gear shifter. And then there's a connection here. Okay, pull it out. And on this gear shifter, okay, there is the cable connecting to the transmission, to the gearbox. Okay, here you have to pull out this one by pushing it like this outside. Okay, you can use any like a minus, like by pulling it outside like this, and then there is a lock also here. By pulling this lock up like this, you're gonna pull out this lock. You can see there is a lock here. As you can see, there is a lock here, right behind here. It's quite noticeable. Okay, by pulling this lock, you're gonna push it up. Okay, so and then you can pull out this one as well, this guy. Okay, the cable connecting to the transmission, and then you take out your four 10 bolts. Okay, from then you can be able to take out this one completely, and you can be able to install this new one. Okay, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any doubt, feel free to ask. Okay, I'm gonna guide you on how to repair, on how to replace, or anything. Just let me know. Okay, thank you.